Today, I'm going to show you a walkthrough on how I would audit my own brand in the best AI visibility tool currently out there, which is CrowdReply. I'm gonna make it extremely easy for you guys because I've taken a real life example. So in this case, we're going to be reviewing a gym, which is not necessarily the absolute best in Miami. So I, per choice, took one that's a little bit out from the rest, and therefore they have a pretty low visibility score. So today I'll walk you through how I would do this if I had a local brand, and of course this can be applied to any other thing as well, as AI visibility is like for any types of business. So once you're on the dashboard, it all starts by checking your competitors. So what we can see here, we're actually on the number 6th spot and we're mentioned in only 18% of all the answers, and this is based on the prompts that you're tracking. So with CrowdReply, you're able to track prompts to a very deep extent. And what is very important is that you can type in prompts that users essentially are going to type into ChatGPT or another LLM in order to find you. This could be commercial based, this could be direct intention, you can have competitor prompts and all that stuff. So also branded prompts are something that you'd only need if you know you need them, because they're going to reflect back with an actual answer which includes you. So I wouldn't suggest adding this from the start, but you can certainly do that to see what it will say about you. It's especially used for like sentiment gauging. Another feature we actually recently added is to import directly and connect directly with Google Search Console. So with this, we can actually turn your real data into prompts so that you only actually are tracking the things that you already know is working. So this is a very big feature and a great one to have. And of course, you can also add a CSV file if you already have acknowledged brand prompts. Essentially, what we want to do with Ghost Gym, right? We can see there's a big amount of gyms in Miami, and we're on the 7th spot only. We're not mentioned a lot. So when somebody types in what is the best high intensity interval training gym in Miami, obviously we want to be in this list, right? We want to be within this list so that users that are interested in this are going to see our business. Essentially what I would do is I would see top citations. Okay, what websites are being cited? I can see that Sweat 440 is making locations for Generative restaurant. They're making best high intensity workout gyms in Miami, and this is essentially good because they're making comparison pages, and comparison pages are one of the biggest signals to AI to include you in an answer. So you can see these guys are doing something that we as Ghost Gym in Miami should replicate, because we can go on the website here and see whatever they're doing, right? They don't have a blog, they don't have anything like that. So essentially what I would suggest for these guys to do is create comparison pages so that AI can pick it up and they can put themselves as the #1 alternative or solution to your questions that people are asking, right? Like best high intensity workout gym or best gym Miami, stuff like that. They're doing it really well. So this is what I do with competitor research. Then I go down and I'm showing you data from today, and I thought I'd do that because then it looks similar to what you're probably looking at. Is every single day we will run these prompts and scrapes so that you always have the latest data. So from this is from 2 hours ago when I added Ghost Gym to the dashboards. So now I can see for this prompt exactly it used these two companies and it used these citations in order to make it. So you can see the sweat440.com actually was cited with this specific page. So it confirmed that my client, so in this case Ghost Gym, should also make these type of pages because apparently AI likes to rank those. And we can see that ClassPass has a huge domain authority, of course, is doing something similar. They're creating search Miami high intensity training. This is what I would take. I would also look at other people. I can see Guide to Bears Bootcamp, Train and Adapt, see what kind of pages are my competitors making. And apparently Sweat is the highest one ranked. So the next step from this is going to citations. And this shows you a deeper extent of something that I just explained to you. So you'll be able to see the exact pages and sources that AI is actively using in order to cite you or a competitor. We can see reviews, Birdseye, Ghost Gym Miami. This is somebody talking about our gym already. We can see Reddit threads where people are asking for the best absolute gym in Miami. We can then go ahead and engage. So everything is under one roof, right? So we can find questions and directly answer them through CrowdReply as well. Now, what I look here is RidFit Sports. They make 16 best gyms, gym prices, New York City. So these are all like best gym blogs. See, once again, comparison pages. I know these are in New York City, but apparently it's still value. Best in Miami. It's just such a big trigger for AI to have these pages. We can see Facebook, people asking about stuff, we should be active there. So this is how I would audit a brand. I would just look through and would see what competitors are doing, what are other people doing within the same niche industry and area, in order for me to start replicating that stuff. Competitors is a very big one. You'll be able to see that on the dashboard as well. And you will also be able to order backlinks. And these are two separate things that I would love to dive into later. But as a start from the audit for the best AI visibility tool out there right now, so you can do everything under one roof, from tracking citations, competitors, and whatnot, you'll be able to see here in order to upgrade your visibility score. Because by leveraging and copying these pages, we can then easily get this score up to 50% plus by making sure that you appear in the right sources where AI is citing from, right? So that's what I would do. This is a simple audit from my side on how I would do it for a local brand in Miami. Check competitors, see what they're doing, what can I take from them, what interactions can I do on social platforms like Reddit or Facebook groups, YouTube comment sections, anything really. Is there influencers I can activate for these search terms? And that's how I would advise my client, or if I'm working there, I would obviously take the steps myself. And we make everything so easy because half of this is already available just in the platform for you to start doing yourself. So backlinks, brand placements on Reddit, and literally anything you would wish to do in order to upgrade your AI visibility score. So if that got you interested, please feel free to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you have other questions about this, please do not hesitate to ask. And if you want to hop on a meeting with me so I can walk you through your own brand, that is fully possible as well. So yeah, if you enjoyed this, like I said, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll get you guys in the next video.